Hello students, I hope you all are preparing well for the upcoming CUET exam that is scheduled to be held in March 2024, and we have been receiving a very positive feedback from all of you regarding the previous year question videos. You all said that these videos are very informative to you. So in continuation, we are back with the part 13 of this video where we'll be posting about the previous year questions which were asked in March 2023. So I'm Divyanshu Gupta, your mentor for MSc Food Science and Technology, and we'll be discussing the questions which were asked in 2023 CUET Food Science and Technology. So coming straight away with the first question we have, which of the following factors will increase the egg white foam stability? So why do we need to stabilize the egg white foam? Because we have been seeing that during the whipping of your egg white, after some time the foam will destabilize because of protein action. So how can we increase the foam stability? So options are given as dilution of egg white with water, it will only decrease. So then salting will also decrease. Then addition of fat will also decrease. So addition of acid and addition of sugar are the only options by which you can increase the foam stability. So this is your answer for this question. Coming to the next question we have, which one option denotes the composition of a fruit squash? So ideally by composition, fruit squash should contain 25% of your fruit juice and 45% TSS. So as we match this from the options, it is your second answer for this question. And I have also said in class that you should remember the TSS of particular beverages which are made by your fruits, which are your squash, then jam, jelly, marmalade, and all. Then TSS for tomato ketchup, tomato puree, and all. These are some basic things that you should remember for the exam because they have a very high chance of coming in the exam. So second is the option for this question. This was asked in 2023. Then coming to the next question we have. This is statement based question. So pectin is a oligosaccharide. We know it is a heteropolysaccharide present in the middle lamella of plant cell. Yes, it is true. Then the softening of fruit tissues on maturity is caused by conversion of protopectin to pectin. Yeah, this is correct. So this statement is wrong, but this statement is correct. So that means first is incorrect, but second is correct. That means fourth is the right option for this question. Then coming to the next question we have. Arrange the steps of straight dough system in correct order. So when we were discussing about the bread making techniques and all in the bakery technology, at that time I told you about the straight dough system. So we have to arrange them in the correct order. So in any type of dough making or in any type of bakery, first of all you'll go for mixing and dough kneading. Then you'll go for knockback after resting. That means you will let the dough rest for some time and then you will go for knockback stage. Then we will go for intermediate proofing. Then this is the first, then this is second, then this is third. Then we have molding and then we go for final proofing. So that means second is the right answer for this question, and this was also asked in 2023. We have been discussing questions from 2023 paper. Then assertion reason based question we have, compared to the conventional heat processing, microwave processing has a greater effect on food composition. So this question is right. Sorry, this statement is right because microwave processing is influenced by dielectric properties of food. This is also right. So that means assertion is also right, reason is also right, and it is explaining it properly. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of A. So that means first is the answer for this question. Then coming on to the next, we have, which of the following flesh foods contain the highest level of fat? So this is a very simple question. Straight away you can mark it as pork because pork contains the highest level of fat. And also it can be there that which of the following flesh foods can show marbling is also seen in only pork because of high level of fat. Then we have, which of the following is the predominant fraction present in the myofibrillar protein? So this is your myosin. Straight away, a very simple question. So you'll find that out of 75 questions which you have in CUET, around 40 to 50 questions are straight away direct and easy questions. So these are all the scoring questions. So do not do mistake in these questions because they will be determining your base of the marks. That means out of 300 marks, you can expect that you should score around more than 180 to 200 if you want to secure your seat in any of the institutions. So these are some questions which will be determining your base score. That means around 150 to 160 will be scored by these questions. Apart from that, some difficult questions are there. If you attempt them properly, then only you can get your marks above 200. Then we have identify the most important objective of inner packaging or secondary packaging. That means the packaging which is inside the pack, which is not in direct contact with food. So maintaining portion size, it can be, but let's read some other options also. Increase merchandise value, can be. Easy identification and handling, it is usually done by the outermost packaging. Protection of goods against water vapor, light and heat, this is the right answer for this question. So that means fourth is the right answer for this question. So that comes to the end of this video, in which we discussed 8 questions related to your 2023 paper. So I hope you understood all the questions, and in case you have any doubt in any of the questions you were not able to collect what I explained, then you may ask your queries in the comments. I'll be very happy to clarify all your doubts. And regarding your course, if you want to join our course, you may contact on the number given on the screen, and we'll be very happy to connect with you. And you can obviously get connected with us if you want a better explanation on any of the topic which you are feeling difficulty in for preparing for CUET 2024. So stay connected for part 14, and thank you all for watching this video.